What if there was an indicator that you can use as soon as tomorrow and you could figure out exactly when there's going to be a false breakout in the market and when there isn't? Well, let's just say that I'm going to give you guys this one indicator that has really helped me out. As a trader, I really rely on price action, but this one indicator definitely goes in confluence with price action and is going to be very helpful for every single one of you. Before we get started, if you guys want to be mentored by me or you just need some help with your trading, click the link in my description and let's book a phone call and let's see if you're a good fit for me and you to work together. Secondly, if you guys do want to trade live with me, I do host live trading sessions every day with my students. There should be a link in the description where you guys can sign up. And one more thing, guys, I am releasing a trading EA, a trading bot on September 1st. If you guys want more information on that, click the link in the description so you can join the Telegram chat and you can get a discount when it launches. And show some love for me, guys. Like this video, drop a comment below, even if it is an emoji, I won't get offended, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. What I want you guys to do when you're trading is kiss it. Keep it stupid simple, baby. That's the way trading needs to be. Me as a trader, I focus fully on NAS100. I believe that you should focus on one pair and completely conquer it, completely master it to see the most success. So all I've been trading lately is NAS100. I used to trade US30, but it's been on some BS ever since the new year, and I switched to NAS and I'm really liking how it moves. So I want to show you guys this one indicator, and then I'm going to explain exactly how it works for you guys. So what you're going to do is go to indicators, type in RSI. It's not the RSI. Relax, guys. What you're going to do is get RSI plus right here. Okay? And I like using the RSI plus with the dark mode. It just looks a lot better. And now what we're going to do is we're going to find a false breakout in the market. So let's say hypothetically that we're going to trade. I found a really good example for you guys. We can see price hit this support right here, came up and hit this support right here, and this support was actually deeper than this support right here. When we mark it up, we have this one support right here, then we have this support right here. A lot of traders are looking at this and they're saying price is going down, it's going to continue to go into a downtrend. But what the RSI plus does is it helps us find divergence in the market. The market is basically presenting sells to our eyes right now. But then we need to understand, like, where is the real data that's showing us it's going to keep selling? So we can see the RSI right here. We have this support right here, and then we have this support right here. And look at my cursor. This support lines up right here to our support on the actual chart. So the chart sometimes can just be a pretty girl dressed up in a nice dress, but she's really evil and really impure, and we need to stay away from her. Same thing. So look, we have this support right here, but notice how this support at this point, it's going deeper than this support right here. So the data is showing us that sellers are leaving the markets and buyers are going to be in control very soon. Because if we grab a trend line, this is how I use it. We go to this point, then this point. Look at how it's tilting up. This point on the RSI plus is not as deep as this point. Versus on the actual chart, it's going deeper. It's showing us it wants to go deeper. But at the end of the day, the data does not lie. So this is our first example of what this indicator is used for. Let me find another really nice example for you guys. Okay, here is a really nice example. I'm going to mark it up for you guys and then explain it. We have this resistance right here. Then we have this resistance right here. If I were to have seen this in the markets without the RSI plus, I would think it's going to keep running up. I think a lot of you would think the same thing. But look at on the RSI right at this point of support or resistance. Look at the RSI. We have this high. But then look at this resistance. This resistance did go higher than this point right here. Look at the RSI plus down here, how it's going lower. So the divergence on the chart is telling us, oh, it's going to be a buy. It's going to break out right here. But then the RSI plus is showing us the data is going down. So this is where we need to find when we have these false breakouts in the market And we really need to ask ourselves, okay, is that a false breakout? So I love the RSI Plus because it helps us determine whether it's a false breakout or the market's actually going to break out. Because if it were going to continue to break out, it looks something like this. We'd see the market with the RSI Plus go higher and higher like it did right here. But it did not do that. So it's important that we see something like this for a breakout to continue versus something like this and then the RSI Plus to show us that buyers are actually leaving the market. So now let's go and find another really nice setup. Okay, here we go. Once again, we could see we have this high, then this high right here is broken from this wick, and then we could see that a lot of people are probably expecting price to continue to rally up. But look at, we have this high right here on the RSI Plus, and then it's even going lower right here. So data is showing us that buyers are leaving the market. But then the chart is showing us, oh, it's all pretty. It's going up. It's going up. It's going to continue to go up. So this is how you use the RSI Plus. What I want you guys to do is go to your chart and look at examples of the RSI Plus. And you can use this on the minute 5, the minute 15, the hour 1. I have noticed that this works best on the hour 1. And before we end this video, we're going to go to the hour 1 chart and we're going to find a really nice example. So let's go to the hour 1 chart together. Okay. Here is a prime example. We didn't even need to go and find it or anything. Look, we have our high right here, resistance, then our high right here. Very nice example. After this 1 hour candle closed bullish, people are definitely expecting this thing to rally up. But then let's go and see the data. We have that high right here. And then we have that high right here. Noticed with these highs, notice, I can't talk today, we're going higher on the actual chart. But then the data is saying, no, we're not going higher, we're going lower. So it's very important to be able to identify when it's going to be a false breakout, because this is ideally like the logic behind why we're looking at the markets and why it's doing this is, okay, look, so we're going to do this. The market makers, the ones that control the markets, they know that there are traders that trade like this. Let me explain. They know that there are traders that have a buy stop right here at this purple line. They know previous resistance is right here, and traders are expecting the market to break out to the upside. Hypothetically, that's what they think is going to happen. So the market makers know that these traders have a buy stop, a pending order right here. And the traders, this is what they're expecting. All the breakout traders are saying, oh, my buy stop's going to get activated, and I'm going to ride it up here, and then I'm going to have my stops down here. And this is what they expect to happen. They expect this move to happen like this. Triggers their buy stops right around here. This wick went above this previous wick in this high. Now the buy stops are activated. But look at the data. We can see the data right here. It's already dropping lower on the RSI Plus than right here. Keep watching the RSI Plus. It's going down even deeper now. Okay. The dojis are starting to form, showing us a reversal. The breakout traders are like, oh, it's fine. We don't care. We're not paying attention to the trade. We set and forget, which is a good thing to do. And it comes down pretty soon. Boom. Boom. This candle right here engulfed the wicks. We can see it went deeper on this candle than all these wicks right here, showing us price is being broken to the downside. Boom. Stops are hit. So that's the market makers, their little tricks that they do. So when you see a double top or a double bottom, that's the best way of looking at it. Look for double tops and double bottoms, but look for the second or the right leg of the double top or the right leg of the double bottom. See if it's breaking higher than the previous side, and then pull up the RSI Plus and see exactly what it's doing. Right there, nastiest trick. I would always get stopped out. I'd be like, oh, price is going to break out. And then I started using this indicator, and it made the biggest difference. I never was stopped out after that, especially when I was seeing like double top or double bottoms form. Made the biggest difference. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you got some type of value. Go and check out this indicator. Let me know in the comments if you like it. And also check out my other videos. I have a ton of other videos based around trading. They'll help every single one of you out. And without further ado, I'll see you later. Peace out, guys.